Let's go through the tabular view. Let me take the control. Here we will go into the tabular view, this icon, and then these are the columns. And you want to take a ratio of 10-day average quantity.
Yeah. Want to build one query, delivered quantity versus 10 days average quantity. How can I build this particular, what do you say, slicer? Is a tool basically. Other day you gave that particular idea, na? Creating a slicer between the numbers, and as per that I can do all the filtering. So this particular, do I need to write a measure, or maybe I don't know, like कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको?
So show me manually what result would be there if manually you would create. How will you, where are the 10-day and the delivered quantity?
Okay.
Where are those fields?
It is simple. When I click on this pie chart, I get delivered quantity, and below that I get 10 days average quantity.
Where is that? Okay, 10 days average quantity. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Now,
and I want to create this as a filter, wherein I want to see a particular percentage or particular ratio, so that I can rather build some assumptions based on that.
so you have to go to the table, because if you want to create a filter, generally for measures, you cannot create a filter. You can create filters only for the columns or the fields in the table. Okay. So go to that table, take the ratio of both the columns. Okay. Right click here, right click on the table. Let's go through the tabular view. Let me take the control. Here we will go into the tabular view, this icon, and then these are the columns. And you want to take a ratio of 10-day average quantity.
Yeah.
Versus delivered quantity.
Delivered quantity.
And you want a filter. That's why you need to do it on the table itself as a new column. Because whatever is here line by line, then only it can be represented in the filter. Okay. Because if you create a measure, that will only give you one number. So one number, there's no possibility of filter then. Measures are always dynamic. So right click, we will go for new column, not measure, new column, because we want it at each line. And then the column is there, formula bar is active. Here I will mention 10-day, whatever is the name.
10 days average quantity.
The average, okay.
ABG.
It starts with the numbers, so I will use 10-day average quantity. Which one? This one, I guess.
नहीं, ऊपर वाला. नीचे is 100 days.
This one.
You have to take the first one. Yeah,
The
correct.
Second one, yeah. Then divided by
today's delivery.
Delivered quantity, right?
Yeah.
So you can write this simple formula.
Yeah.
And name it anything. Let's say 10d by dq. Okay. And press enter. And here, look at this. So we can maybe reduce it to 2 decimals. And now I just need a slicer. This is the ratio.
Okay, got it.
That slicer. And then use this. And start from 0.1 to 1458. So you decide how much you want to keep.
Right.
And accordingly, things will get filtered.
Got it.
Okay.